Welcome students to online classes of mathematics for class 8. In this video we're going to study chapter number 10, which is visualizing solid shapes of NCERT textbook. This one is the session number 2 for this particular chapter. Here we're looking at the exercise 10.2 of NCERT textbook. Okay, myself Deepak Kodam, teaching mathematics in Kendriya Vidyalaya Sangathan. So let's start with today's class. The chapter number 10, visualizing solid shapes, is divided into total 4 subtopics, out of which we have already covered the first 2 subtopics in the previous session. In this particular session, we'll be looking at the mapping of the space around us. Okay, based on this, we have exercise 10.2. So let's move to the exercise 10.2 now. Okay, this exercise in total have only 4 questions. Okay, we'll be doing all 4 of them in this particular session. So let's start with the question number 1. Question is, look at the given map of the city. So here we are given the map of a city, okay, showing different location like lake, water plant, bus depot, fire station, police station, cemetery, hospital, library, market, city college, locality, primary school, secondary school, community center, and locality. Okay, and different roads are given, that like road A, Nehru Road, road C, we have the Gandhi Road, this is road B. Okay, so these three are road A, road B, and this one is road C. Okay, then we have this Gandhi Road, Nehru Road, and this Shastri Road. Okay, so the horizontal roads are named with the given the name of people, and all the this vertical one are given the name as road A, B, and C. Okay, and also we have road D here. Okay, now based on this we have certain questions we have to answer. First one is, color the map as follows: blue water, red fire station, or orange library, yellow school, green park, pink college, purple hospital, and brown cemetery. Okay, so you have to follow this instruction to color the different parts as given in this question. Okay, so let's start. First one is blue water. So let's take blue color. This water plant is here, and we also have this lake here, so let's cover them with the blue color. So that's our lake. Okay, next we have fire station should be colored with the red one. The fire station is here, so let's color this red with the red color. Okay, I'm not hiding its name, you can completely cover it like I've done in the case of water. Okay, so next one is orange library. Library should be colored orange. Okay, library is here, let's color it orange. You can color it and again you can rewrite its name above it. Okay, with pen or pencil like this. Next one is yellow school. So we have two school here, one is primary school and the other is secondary school, so we are going to both color them with the yellow color. Okay, so it's not particularly mentioned which school we have to cover, so we are going to color the both school with the yellow color. Okay, just I'm showing you how to do it. You will do it properly in your notebook, covering the entire section with the yellow color, and same for the other section also. Okay, so we have the secondary school. Now after that, let's color this entirely with the yellow color like this. Okay, next is green park. The park should be colored green. Okay, so we have park here in the center, that is city park. It should be colored green. So that's how we're going to complete this. Next one is pink college. College should be colored pink. Okay, so college is here, let's color it with the pink color. Okay, cover it entirely. Okay, you can later on rewrite its name. Okay, I'm just trying to keep the name visible, okay, without covering them with the color. So that's our city college. Next one is, we have to color this hospital as the purple. Okay, let's take purple color is here, hospital is given here right above the library, so let's color with the purple color now. Like this. Okay, next is brown symmetry. Symmetry will be covered with the brown color, which is here. Okay, so that's the answer of the part 1, part A of the question number 1. Second is mark X, green X at the intersection of road C and Nehru Road. Okay, so let's locate the road C and Nehru Road. We have to mark that with the X. Nehru Road is this one and road C is here. Their intersection point is this one, so we have to mark this with the green X like this. Then we have to mark green Y at the intersection of Gandhi Road and Road A. Road A is this one, Gandhi Road is coming from here, so that is our intersection point. This here will be marking a green Y. Okay, like this. Next is, okay, that's the answer of the part B. Now part C is in red, draw a short street route from library to school bus. So we are going to use the red color. Okay, as it says, in red, draw a short street route from library to school. So library is here. Suppose its entry gate is here. So we're starting from here toward the road A, then coming to the, we are to reach the bus stop. Okay, so by the Gandhi Road we'll go and we reach the bus stop here. So from library to bus stop, that's our route. Next is, which is further east, the city park or the market? That means east side is here. Okay, and this one, sorry, this one is the west. East is here and this one is west. So it's asking which is further east, the city park or the market? City park is here and the market is here. So toward east we have city park. So answer for this one will be, this is answer of question number 1, part C. Answer for this one is city park. Okay, market is toward west. Answer is city park. Next is, I think this was D. Now E is, which is further south, primary school or the secondary school? South is here downward side and this one is north. So which school is towards south? We have this primary school here and secondary school here. That means the secondary school is towards south. So answer for this one is secondary school. Okay, so that's the answer of the question number 1 of exercise 10.2. Now moving to the next one. It says, draw a map of your classroom using proper scale and symbol for different objects. Okay, so now we have to use our imagination to draw the map of our classroom. Okay, with proper scale and symbol for different object. Okay, for this you are going to use the proper pencil scale to draw the map of your classroom, showing all the main things that you have in your classroom, that like blackboard, notice board, dustbin, cupboard, entry gate, window and the student desk. Okay, so for that you simply can use first draw, if your class in rectangular shape or square, first draw square or rectangular box. Okay, like I'm drawing one of the classroom from our school. Okay, so we have this rectangular, at here we have its cupboard, right here we have entry gate. Okay, this is door, then we have a blackboard here, this is board. Okay, this one is cupboard, then we have a window here, small one, then a large window at the center, then again at the back we have a small window. Okay, so these three are the windows. Okay, then we have a teacher's table here, then there are so many desks in the classroom like this. You can draw the desks. Okay, and so on. And here we also have a notice board. So I've drawn it roughly. You can use the proper scale pencil to draw this with the proper measurement, showing all the things that are there in your classroom. Okay, I have drawn one for you earlier, which is here. So like you can see here, we have this cupboard, entry gate or a door, notice board. These are the desks, okay, student desk. We have teachers table, then a blackboard. These two are the dustbin, okay, you can name them as dustbins. Then we have window, and these all are the desks, okay. So you can use your imagination, okay, use pencil and scale and draw the map of your classroom, okay. It should be very neat and neatly and cleanly drawn, okay. I have just drawn it to show you how it should be done, okay. Don't draw this exactly one in your notebook. You will use your imagination to draw your classroom, okay. So that's the answer of the question number 2. Now moving to the next one, we have question number 3 is draw a map of your school compound using proper scale and symbol for various features like playground, main building, garden and extra. So what you have to do here is we have to draw a map of our school using proper scale and measurement, and which showing the main playground like school building and garden and all, okay. So for that you can use your imagination. So what you remember about your school, okay, use your imagination to draw the map of your school, locating all the major points like it says in the question itself: building, playground, assembly ground and entry gate and all that, okay. Or if you have difficulty in that, you can use or take the help of the Google map, okay. I will show you how you can use the Google map to locate your school on the Google map, and then you can draw its map by yourself, okay, after getting a general idea from there, okay. For that we are going to move to the Google now. So you can simply open this Google app or the Google home page. Here you can type the Google Maps like here. Once you type the Google, it will show you all the apps of the Google, like you have here this Google map. Or in other way, you can just simply click on this 9 dot on the right above corner. Once you click on that, it will show you all the various applications of the Google, okay. At the right top corner you will find this maps written there, so just click on that. It will take you to directly to the Google map, okay. That will show you the map of our beautiful country India like this, okay. So this view is a map view. You can also change it to satellite view by clicking on this left corner at the bottom. Once you click on that, you will get this satellite view. So this one is a satellite view showing all the greenery, mountain, water and all that. And if you click on the map view, it will just show you the points mark on the map, okay. Okay, now in order to locate your school, you should need to click on this left corner. You will see the arrow here. Just click on that. It will show you the search bar. Then type on that bar the location that you want to search. Like we are going to search the location of our school, that is Kendriya Vidyalaya Aizwal. So okay, let's type that here, Kendriya Vidyalaya. Like it's showing in the search option also. Just type on the Kendriya Vidyalaya Aizwal. It will take you the exact location of your school, okay. You can change it to satellite view. Then you will see this red dot in the center is showing the map of your school. If you zoom in, you can easily find that map of your school from the top view, okay. That is a miss taken by the satellite, okay. So here in the bottom you will find the entry gate. Then you have the main school building, and also in the like the guard room, the children's park, assembly ground and the canteen at the back and the school building, okay. Now you can use this map for your reference to draw this map in your notebook, okay. That's for the answer, okay. So you can take a screenshot of this, then you use it to draw the map of your school on your notebook, okay. So by taking that screenshot, I'm going to take that screenshot, okay. Now I will be using that to draw the map of our school. Now we can use this screenshot to draw the map of our school. Again, we are going to use pencil and scale to draw this, okay. I'm going to show you how to do it roughly. You will use proper measurement, pencil and scale using, okay, to draw the diagram of your school, okay. I'm just showing you it roughly based on the screenshot that I have taken from the Google map, okay. So that's the main building, okay. Then we have in our school. Here the children's park, this is guard room, then we have this parking area or the waiting area for the parents, and right here we have this entry gate, and here we have our school's wall, boundary wall. This is the entry gate. Okay, so at here we have our assembly stage, that's our playground, and this way is going at the back toward the canteen. Okay, so that's the basic. Just I'm showing you a general diagram like you have seen. This is the main building, this one is the entry gate, we have this guard room here, waiting area for the parent, this one is the children's park, this one is the assembly ground, then we have this assembly stage here, this path is going backward toward this canteen, and this one is the main building. Okay, so you are going to draw all these in your notebook using proper measurements. Okay, I have just shown it to you roughly how it should be done. You can use the color also to indicate all the parts of the school building. Okay, so like you can write here entry gate, main building, okay, like children's park, and you do the labeling of all the amenities available in the school. Okay, so that's the answer to question number 3. Now moving to the next question. Question number 4 is draw a map giving instruction to your friend so that she reaches your house without any difficulty. Okay, so now you are going to give an instruction on map to your friend so that she can reach to your house without any difficulty. So we assume that the two friends like you and your one of your friend are in school, so you want to invite your friend at your home for, you can say, lunch or a dinner. So for that you need to explain the map of your home from the school to your friend. Okay, so again for this we are going to take the help of the Google map. Okay, now let's jump to the Google map. Again, by first opening the Google home page, click on this 9 dot, and then right above corner you will find the map. Click on that, it will take you to the Google Maps. Okay, again it is showing us the map view of the our country. Okay, if you zoom out from here you can see the map of our entire country. Okay, so this is again a map view. You can choose the satellite view also. Okay, like this. So this one is satellite view showing all the mountain and the water bodies. So for that we are going to again start with this search bar. Click here, you will get the search bar. In here you will find this blue dot. Okay, click on that, then it will ask you to the enter your starting point and the destination. Okay, in the starting point you will enter the address of your school, that is again Kendriya Vidyalaya Aizawl. Okay, it's above in, it is already there in the search bar, just select that. Okay, now assuming that you are living in Ramlun North. Okay, so we are going to explain that route map or the map of the from Kendriya Vidyalaya Aizawl to the place in the Ramlun North. Okay, so in the destination we are going to type Ramlun, RAMHLUN. Okay, so it's here, Ramlun North Aizawl, Mizoram. So once you select your location, it will directly show you the map of the destination from starting from the Kendriya Vidyalaya Aizawl. You can see it is starting from here Kendriya Vidyalaya Aizawl and ending at the Ramlun North. Okay, so this one is a satellite view. For this one again you can, by clicking on this left bottom, you will get the map view. Okay, this is the one is the satellite view. Once you click on that you will get the map view. Now again we are going to use this map to explain the direction to our friend. Okay, now again you can take the screenshot of this and then you can draw all the major locations showing on the way, like starting from the Kendriya Vidyalaya Aizawl you have this municipal council, then we have Thuampui helipad, after that we have this BCM Emmanuel Thuampui. Okay, then going so on we have this Presbyterian Church of Bongkon East, then going ahead you have Greenwood Hospital, then Bongkon Police Station. Okay, then on the way you will also find this NIT, that's a National Institute of Technology, going through that you will reach the Ramlur North. Okay, so we are going to take the screenshot of this whole map, then we are going to draw this in our notebook. Okay, so starting point is here, which is Kendriya Vidyalaya Aizawl. Let's take a screenshot of this. Now we are going to use this to draw the map in our notebook. Okay, now again, using this screenshot of this map, you will be drawing this map again in your notebook. Okay, you will just draw this blue line which is showing the route from our school to the a place in Ramlur North. Okay, you will follow this route to reach the Ramlur North. Okay, you will indicate all the major destinations that fall on the way. Like we have starting point Kendriya Vidyalaya Aizawl, then we have this Rajat Cafe, then Aizawl Municipal Corporation AMC. Okay, then Thwampui Helipad, then we have also the Chongtui Road. Okay, then this BCM Emmanuel Safex Private Limited, then we have this LBL Lodge. Okay, then Bongkon Post Office, Sub Post Office, Bongkon Police Station. Okay, so going ahead, we have this here National Institute of Technology, then we reach here the place here Ramlur North. Okay, so I have just shown you how it should be done. Okay, but you will, instead of taking this Ramlur North, you will use your actual home address. Okay, so your starting point will be the Kendriya Vidyalaya Aizawl, and your destination will be the location of your home. Okay, wherever you live, just type that in the destination point. Google Map will show you the route map to reach your home. Okay, then take a screenshot of that, and using or taking help from that, you can draw the map here. Okay, just I'm going to show you here. You will start here from the Kendriya Vidyalaya Aizawl, moving ahead to this way, and then coming back to the Ramlur North here. Okay, so this is how it should be drawn. You will show all the places, like this is KV Aizawl. Okay, and you will reach here Ramlur North, and you will be showing all the main connecting roads, like this is a Jongti Road, we have a helipad here. Okay, and so on. So I've just indicated you how it should be done. You will draw it by yourself. Okay, the address should be taken from the starting point will be Kendriya Vidyalaya Aizawl, and the destination will be your home. Okay, then Google Map will show you your route map with this blue line. Okay, take the screenshot of that, then draw the same in your notebook. Okay, so with this we have completed all the four questions of this exercise 10.2. Okay, so now you have to practice all this question by yourself, or you can also explore this Google Map for different location. Okay, you will find it very interesting. Okay, but you need a good internet connection for that. Okay, if you have a good internet connection, you can use Google Map to explore different places online. Okay, so with this we have completed the exercise 10.2. I hope you understood all the question. Okay, so that's all for now. Thanks for joining here, everyone. Thank you.